Good morning, dear students. All are fine. Is it a rainy day? Okay. Yes, it is a rainy day. So we have a cool mind. Is it? We have a cool mind. So we can start with a cool mind. And in previous classes, what we discussed. Have you done your homework? If any? Okay, good. Any doubt from that section? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about what in previous class what we discussed. We discussed the polynomials. Is it? Yes. What is polynomial? That is, we can write p of x equal to 2x plus 3. That is what p of x equal to 3x plus 2. Is it? It is a monomial or binomial or trinomial polynomial. Which type polynomial? This is binomial because it has two tails. Is it? And previous class we also discussed what degree of the polynomial. Is it? Here the degree. What is the degree? In a polynomial, the degree must be a whole number. The degree must be a whole number. What is whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Is it? We represent them as whole numbers W, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Is it? That is the variable. Here, what is the variable? P of x. X is the variable. X is the variable. X is the variable. And its degree is, that is, its exponent is 1. That is, its power is 1. That is, when a polynomial, when we consider as polynomial, that is variable exponent or power is, must be a whole number. Must be a whole number. That is, degree means highest power of the variable. That is, here the highest power is what? 1. So its degree is 1. Is it? Yes. And also we know non-constant polynomial. Is it? And non-zero constant polynomial. This is non-constant polynomial. And we know that non-zero constant polynomial. That is 2 is a polynomial, 3 is a polynomial, 4 is a polynomial. These are non-zero constant polynomial. These are non-zero constant polynomial. That is, 0 is a zero polynomial, constant is zero polynomial. Is it? These types are discussed in previous class, and we are doing our exercise. Exercise is what? Our exercise is 2.1. Is it? Exercise 2.1. We already done with question number 2. That is, next one is third one question is, what is our third one question? Third one question is what? Third one question is I can read. That is, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. That is, I repeat, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. We want to write two polynomials. One is monomial and one is binomial. In binomial, degree is what? Degree is 35. In monomial, degree is 100. That is, what do you mean by monomial? Monomial means it have, if p of x is a polynomial, it have one tail. It have one tail. One tail. Is it? What is the tails? 2x square is 4x plus 3. Number of tails is here. Number of tails is 3. Is it? Here is one tail, and here is also one tail, and here is 10. That is, when we add these, here is 3 terms is included. Here is 2x square plus 2. Here is only 2 terms. Here is only 2 terms. And 3x cube. Here is only 1 term. Here is only 1 term. So here the question is, we want 2 types of polynomials. One is binomial and one is monomial. Is in binomial, the degree is 35. Degree is 35. You can write any polynomial with degree and it must be a binomial. That is, for example, 2x raised to 35 plus 6. 2x raised to 35 plus 6. This is a binomial with degree 35. Is it our question is? Question is, I can read or I repeat one more time. That is, we want a binomial with degree 35. That is, here is a binomial because here p of x is a polynomial. It have 2 terms, 2x and 6. These are 2 terms and this polynomial, and its power is or its exponent is 35. That is, the highest power is x of highest power is 35. So its degree is 35. Any doubt? That is, here 2x raised to 35 plus 6. That means here is the binomial polynomial and it have the degree 35. You can also write many polynomials. P of x equal to 2y raised to or 4y raised to 35 plus 20. This is also a binomial. This is also a binomial with degree 35. And for another example, you can also, here not p of x, here is p of y because I take the variable is y. So we can write not p of x, we can write p of y. Next, p of x equal to 5x raised to 35 plus 50. Here is 5x raised to 35 plus 50. This is also a binomial with degree 35. Any doubt? Clear? Is it clear? Can you follow me? Okay, this is the example or for example for binomial with 35. I write 3 examples. You make more examples like this. You get many binomials with degree 35. And next question is, what is the next question? One more question is included. That is, next question is, we want to a monomial. We want to a monomial with degree 100. With degree 100. Which we can write? Which polynomial we can write? Monomial means one term. Only one term is exist. Only one term is exist. That is 3x raised to 100 equal to p of x. This is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. Its name is monomial and its degree is 100. You can also write root 2y raised to 100. That is equal to p of y. Root 2 is coefficient. So we didn't consider coefficient. We only consider the exponent of the variable. We only consider the exponent of the variable. That must be a whole number. So we can write p of y equal to root 2 y raised to 100. Root 2 y raised to 100. Root 2 y raised to 100. That is the power of the or degree of the y is 100. Is it? Yes. That is, this is a monomial because it have 1 term. That is, next one is p of z equal to, we can write with what? We can write root 5. Root 5 is the raised to 100. Is the raised to 100. These are also a monomial examples. These are also a monomial example. That is, here is only one term is exist. Here is 2 terms is exist. So these are binomials. These are monomials with a degree 100 and here is the degree is 35. This is the solution for the third question. That is third question. This is the solution for third question. Is it any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Can we go the next question? Okay. Next question is what is the write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Write the degree of each of the following. We want to write the degrees. That is what is the first one is what? Fourth question. Fourth question is what? Fourth question is we want to write the degree of given polynomials. And what is the given polynomials? First one is that is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Here is the polynomial 5x2 plus 4x square plus 7x. This question is right. Then can we start? What is the question? We want to find the degree of this polynomial. What is the degree? What is the degree of a polynomial? That is the if p of x is a polynomial, then the highest power of x is its degree. What is? If p of x is a polynomial, then the highest power of x is its degree. That is, here we can write p of x equal to 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Here is our polynomial. When we look the polynomial, here is x, that is x raised to 1, and here is x square or x raised to 2, and here is x raised to 3. Here is x raised to 3, and here is which one power is or which power is highest? Here is the powers are 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, 1. These are the powers of this polynomial. Which power is highest? Already we know that the 3 is highest, depending to 2 and 1. That is here 5x cube. That is x cube is the highest power. That is coefficient of x cube equal to what? 5. And highest power is equal to 3. That is degree of p of x is degree of p of x is 3. Degree of p of x is 3. Is it? Any doubt from here? Any doubt? That is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x is our question. Then we take p of x. It is as p of x equal to 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x, and we consider the powers or exponents 2, 3, 1. Here is 3, 2, 1 or 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3. Any order. If any order, there is the highest exponent or power is 3. Is it? When we take 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 or 2, 3, 1. In all cases, the highest power is what? 3. That is, so coefficient of x cube is 5 and highest power is what is highest power of x? X equal to 3. Highest power of x equal to 3, and what is the degree of p of x, and what is the degree of the p of x? What? is 3. Is it? Okay. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Can we go to second part? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. That is second question. Is second part is what? Second part is what? 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. That is, we can write p of x equal to 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. We can write p of y equal to 4 minus y square. And p of y here, we take the variable y, so we write p of y. Is it p of y? And next one is, we want to find the degree of p of y. We want to find the degree of y. Here it is a binomial here, because here is a 2, only 2 terms. So this is a binomial, and here is only y square is exists, and its degree is what? And the coefficient of y square is -1, and degree or and power of y is highest power of y equal to what? 2, and then what is the degree of p of y is? Degree of p of y is 2. Degree of p of y is 2. Degree of p of y is 2. That is, our polynomial p of y is equal to 4 minus y square. Here this is a binomial and only 2 terms, and coefficient of y square is -1, and highest power of y is 2, corresponding to or according to p of y here. So the degree of p of y is what? 2. P of y is 2. Degree of p of y is 2. This is the solution for second. Alright? Can you understand? Any doubt? Okay, third one is what is the third one? Third one is 5t minus root 7. 5t minus root 7. 5t minus root 7. 5t minus root 7. That is, p of t equal to 5t minus root 7. 5t minus root 7. When we check this polynomial, this is also a binomial polynomial, because here is 2 terms, and next one is what? Next one is what? We want to find the degree of p of t. For finding degree, and that is the highest power of t. Here is what? T is in 1 term. T is only exists in 1 term, that is 5t. That is, coefficient of t is 5. Coefficient of t is 5, and highest power of t is equal to 1. Is it? And then what is the answer? Then answer is degree of p of t is 1. Degree of p of t is 1. Degree of p of t is 1. Is it correct? Is it correct? Anyone can doubt? Okay, good. Okay, this is then p of t equal to 5t minus root 7 and its degree is what? Degree of this polynomial is 1 because the highest power of t is 1, is it? Yes. So we are going to discuss the fourth part. Fourth one is what is fourth one? 3. 3. What is the name of 3? 3 is it a polynomial? 3 is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. And what is the name of that? Like these polynomials. What is the name of these polynomials? What? That is name is non-zero constant polynomials. Is it non-zero constant polynomials? In previous class, what we discussed, what we studied, the degree of non-zero constant polynomial is the degree of non-zero constant polynomial is what? What? Degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Is it 0? That is degree of this polynomial is 0. Degree of 3 is 0. Degree of 3 is 0. Why degree of 3 is 0? 3 is a non-constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomial. So its degree is 0. Its degree is 0. What is the degree of 0 polynomial? What is the degree of 0 polynomial? Anyone can say? Please tell me. Yes, degree is 0. Right answer. There is degree is 0 value. Is it degree of 0? That is a wrong answer. That is a wrong answer. If degree of non-zero constant polynomial its degree is 0, then what is the, my question is, what is the degree of 0 polynomial? What is the degree of 0 polynomial? That is degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. That is our challenge. If you can find the degree of 0 polynomial, degree of 0 polynomial, that is our challenge. Is it? Is it? Can you remember? Yes. I wish you can find the degree of 0 polynomial. You take it as a challenge. Then what is the next question? That is, next question is classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic polynomials. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic. What do you mean by linear? What is mean by linear? What is mean by linear? Anyone can say? That is, linear means degree is 1. Quadratic means degree is 2. Cubic means degree is 3. When a linear polynomial, its degree is 1. Its degree is 1. Quadratic means degree is 2 and cubic means degree is 3. I repeat. Linear means degree 1, quadratic means degree 2 and cubic means degree 3. If we take a polynomial, its degree is 1, that is a linear polynomial. That is a linear polynomial. When we take a polynomial and its degree is 3, then that polynomial we can call cubic polynomial. That we can call cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay, can we start our question? Can we start? What is the? We can start. Can we start? That is, linear means degree 1 and quadratic means degree 2. Cubic means degree 3. Is it? Is it? Yes. Then what is the first question? X square plus x. X square plus x. Is it? I check. Question is x square plus x. Then what type or classify? Is it a linear or quadratic? Quadratic or cubic? What is your opinion? What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Is it? That is polynomial is x square plus x. That is its degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Is it? Is it? Any doubt? That is it is a quadratic polynomial. Why? We tell this is a quadratic polynomial because its degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. What is our second question? That is quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. And second one is what? X minus x cube. X minus x cube. That is, we are answering the fifth question. Fifth question, one part is x square plus x. That is a quadratic polynomial. And second one is x minus x cube. What is the degree of this polynomial? What is the degree? Anyone can say? When we look x minus x cube, x minus x cube, then we get what its degree? Its degree is 1. Its degree is 3. So which type of polynomial is this? Which type of polynomial is this? That is, this is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Is it? Is it? Here is x minus x cube and its degree is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. Why we tell cubic polynomial? Because its degree is 3. We have 3 types of polynomial. Here we are discussing degree of 1. Then it is linear polynomial. When the degree is 2, it is quadratic polynomial. And when its degree is 3, then the polynomial is cubic polynomial. Is it? And next one is, third one is y plus y square plus y square plus 4. Is it? I check the question one more time. Y plus y square plus 4. Is it? Then which type of polynomial is this? If we can write p of x, that is y square plus y plus 4, we can rearrange. When we are writing a polynomial p of y equal to y square plus y plus 4, when we arrange the exponent is ascending to descending order or descending order. That is here 2, 1, 0. That is descending order. Is it? Is it? Yes. What is the ascending order? 1, 2, 3. What is the descending order? 0. If we have 10, then 10, 9, 8, 7. That is descending order. Is we write descending order is exponent. That is y square plus y plus 4. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. Is it? Is it? Is it? Yes. And third one is, answer is, third one is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And the fourth Fourth is next we are discussing is fourth one. Fourth one is what? 1 plus x. 1 plus x. That is what is the answer? Which type of polynomial is this? Is it linear or quadratic or cubic? Linear or quadratic or cubic? That is, this is a linear polynomial. Why I tell like this? This is a linear polynomial because when we see 1 plus x, its degree is 1. Here its degree is 1. So here degree is 1. So this polynomial is a linear polynomial. This polynomial is a linear polynomial. So because its degree is 1, so we can call this is a linear polynomial. And 5th, 6th, 7th are for your homework. 5th, 6th, 7th are for your homework. Please write homework in your notebook and find the solutions. Okay. Any doubt? Contact me. Okay. Next session is we are going to discuss about zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Okay, can we start? All ready? Okay, good. All ready? Say one more. Energetic. Yes. Okay, good. Can we start? Okay. That is, we want next discuss zeros of a polynomial. Then we have a polynomial like, for example, p of x equal to. In your textbook, there is an example. I write on board, that is in your textbook the example is 5x cube minus 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. This is our polynomial. This is our polynomial. Which type of this polynomial? This is a cubic polynomial because its degree is 3. Is it a cubic polynomial? Yes, this is a cubic polynomial. Then we want to find what? We want to find p of 1. P of 1 means we replace x by 1. P of 1 means we replace x by 1. Then we get the answer. We want to find p of 1. That is, we replace x by 1. That is, when we replace x by 1, then we also replace all places. In the place of x, we replace, that is 5 into x cube. We replace by 1. Minus 2 into 1 square. Plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Minus 2. That is, here we get 5 into 1. 1 2 means 1 and minus 2 into 1 square means 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Next step, 5 into 5 minus 2 into 1 or negative 2 into 1 negative 2 and plus 3 into 1 3 we get negative 2. Okay, 3 negative 2 or minus 2. That is 5 plus 3 minus 2 minus 2. That is 8 minus 4. 5 plus 3 is 8 and minus 2 minus 2. That is, we can write like this. That is, answer is 4. Answer is 4. In your textbook, this answer is also 4. That is, when we replace x by 1, then we get the value as 4. That is, p of 1 equal to 4. P of 1 equal to 4. P of 1 equal to 4. That is, what is the value of p of 1? equal to 4. That is, what is value of P of 1? That is 4. That is 4. What is the value of P of 1? 4. Which way we find? That is, we replace x by 1, then our places we replace x by 1. That is 5 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Because our polynomial is 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So replace x by 1, we get 5 into 1 and minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 2. That is 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. That is 5 plus 3 minus 2 minus 2. That is 8 minus 4. We get 4. Can we find P of 0? Can we find P of 0? Can we find P of 0? P of 0 means 5 into 0 cube minus 2 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. Then that is 5 into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 2. That is, when we take the cube of 0 is 0 and square of 0 is 0 and 3 into 0 minus 2. That is 5 into 0 is 0 minus 0, 2 into 0 is 0 and 3 into 0 is also 0 and minus 2. That is, answer is negative 2. Answer is negative 2 or minus 2. When we take the value of P of 0, we get negative 2. When we take the value of P of 1, we get answer is 4. Answer is 4. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, can we take minus 1? P of minus 1? Can we take P of minus 1? Okay, we can find here. We put a minus sign, that is, here is minus, here is also minus, and here is also minus. Then we get here is minus 1, and here is minus 1. That is, we can rewrite 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. Then what is the answer? What we get the answer? That is minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 minus 10 minus 12 minus 12. Is it? Yes. Any doubt? When we find P of minus 1, 5 into minus 1 the whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 2. That is, we get 5 into minus 1. Minus 1 cube means minus 1. Is it? That is, minus 1 cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That is, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Is it? Yes. That is, and minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1. That is, we get 1 or positive 1. Is it? Is it right? Any doubt? Is it? Yes. That is, next one is, when we find the minus P of minus 1, we get negative 12. Here is a negative sign. That is, minus 7, minus 10, minus 12. Is it? That is, 5 into minus 1 and 2 minus 2 into negative 1 square means 1 and 3 into negative 1 minus 2. That is, minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. When we add these, we get what we get? 5 minus 2 minus 7 minus 10 minus 12. Answer is minus 12. That is, P of minus 1 is minus 12. And next is, we are going to discuss example 2. we discuss example 2. Find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variables. At the indicating value of variables. At the indicating value of variables. That is, first one is p of x equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equal to 4. Here is the polynomial 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Is it, can we check? That is, we can check 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Our question is p of x equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equal to 1. We want to find p of 1. That is b. That is, we can find p of 1 equal to 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. We replace x by 1. We replace x by 1 and what we get? What we get? We get 5 into 1 minus 3 plus 7. That is 5 minus 3 plus 7. That is 5 minus 3, 2 and plus 7 we get 9. That is answer is 9. Answer is 9. Is it? Yes. We get answer is 9. And second question is second part question is q of y equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y equal to 2. We can find, we want to find q of y equal to 3x cube, 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y equal to 2. We want to find y equal to 2. That is q of 2 equal to 3 into 2 cube minus 4 into 2 plus root 11. Then 3 into 2 cube means 8 minus 8 plus, here is plus root 11. That is 24 minus 8 plus root 11. That is, we get answer is 16 plus root 11. 16 plus root 11. That is, q of 2 means 16 plus 11. Q of 2 is 16 plus 11. And third one is, what is third one? Third question is P of t equal to 4t raised to 4t raised to 4 plus 5t cube minus t square plus 6 at t equal to a. That is what we get. P of a equal to 4a raised to 4 plus 5a raised to 2 minus a raised to square plus 6. We replace t by a. Is it? Yes. We replace t by a. We get 4a raised to 4 plus 5a cube minus a square plus 6. This is the answer for third one. That is, this is the example and explanation. Your example 2 and explanation. And I conclude my class. I wish you a good day. Please note your homework in your notebook. Please write your homework in your notebook and find solution. Don't forget. Thank you.
2